Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Zoho Sprints to Jira issues, full guide step by step clearly. To connect Zoho Sprints to Jira issues, start by logging into your Zoho Sprints account. Next, navigate to the settings menu within the application. Look for the integration section and select the option to connect to Jira. You will then be prompted to enter your Jira account credentials. After inputting your credentials, click on the Authorize button. Once authorized, select the project in Zoho Sprints that you want to connect to your Jira issues. Now, choose the corresponding Jira project from the list displayed. Confirm the integration by reviewing the mapping of fields between Zoho Sprints and Jira. Make any necessary adjustments to this mapping to ensure it fits your workflow. Click on the Save or Connect button to finalize the integration. Watch for a confirmation message indicating that the connection was successful. To test the integration, create a new issue in Jira and check if it appears in Zoho Sprints. If it does, the connection is working correctly. Should you encounter any issues, revisit the integration settings to verify your configurations. Review any error messages provided for troubleshooting guidance. Once you have confirmed that everything is functioning as expected, you can start managing your projects with ease between both platforms. Monitor the integration periodically for any updates or changes needed. Now you're ready to utilize both Zoho Sprints and Jira in harmony for your project management needs. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.